Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make an easy, delicious and endlessly adaptable dish with just flour, eggs, milk and butter. I'm talking about soft drop dumplings. In Luxembourg they are known as Kniddelen, a dish that's been around for generations. They're somewhere between spätzles and gnocchis. Soft, pillowy, usually served warm with some butter, a splash of crème fraîche, some cheese and occasionally cured pork or diced ham. And now that you know what they are, let me show you how easy you can make them at home. So here's the ingredients list for 2 to 3 portions. First up you need 250 grams of all-purpose flour, then 2 medium eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, 5 grams of fine rock salt, 15 to 20 grams of butter for serving, optional sour cream or crème fraîche to taste, and then about 10 grams of coarse rock salt per liter of water for boiling. Alright, that's everything you need, so let me show you how you can turn it into something delicious. In a large bowl, mix the flour and fine salt. Then form a little well in the center. Crack in the eggs and add the milk. Use a spoon to gently break the yolks so they start to mix with the rest. This helps everything come together more easily. Start stirring from the center and slowly work your way outward, incorporating the flour as you go. Stir everything well for a few minutes until you have a thick, sticky batter. At the end, you can beat it a bit with your spoon until you see bubbles forming. That's what makes it nice and fluffy, just like this. The final result should be soft but not runny. If you follow the measurements, it should come together nicely. And once that's done, set the batter aside to rest for 15 to 30 minutes. While the batter is resting, fill a large pot with water. Add about 10 grams of coarse rock salt per liter and bring it to a boil. Once your water is boiling and the batter has rested, use a teaspoon to scoop and drop small portions of the dough into the pot. And if it sticks too much, just use a second spoon to help slide it off. The dumplings will sink at first and then float to the top. Once they float, let them cook for another couple of minutes to finish. For 2 to 3 portions, like I'm showing here, you usually don't need to drain them batch by batch. They can stay in the pot while you finish the rest. But if you are making a larger amount, or if it takes you a bit longer to drop them in because you're still getting used to it, it's important to scoop them out after a few minutes. Otherwise, they can become dense, tough or a bit chewy if left in too long. Once you've finished dropping them in, use a slotted spoon to remove the dumplings and transfer them to a bowl. If you don't have a slotted spoon, no worries, just drain the water like you would with boiled potatoes. Add the butter while the dumplings are still hot and mix gently to coat. You can also stir in some crème fraîche if you like. Other great toppings include crispy bacon, onions, grated cheese or even pan-fried cured pork or diced ham. Be creative! And that's it for the preparation. Now let's get them on the plate. And there you have it, soft, pillowy dumplings that hit that comfort food spot just right. They're satisfying without being too much, and what you add on top is totally up to you. Light and simple or rich and indulgent. Et voila, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and for more simple and delicious ideas, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm now off to enjoy my dumplings and I hope you do too.